Alright guys, so here's how to show or hide quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. It's quite simple once again, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the right side and simply right click on your mouse, and then you'll probably see the customize the ribbon. So you need to select that, and then from here you need to go with the quick access toolbar. As you can see guys, we have lots of options or lots of icon right over here. We can simply select one of those and simply add that into this customized toolbar. But if you don't want, then you can simply select that one and tap on remove to remove these. So there are four options now selected. So now as you can see, the toolbar position is selected as above ribbon. You can select the below ribbon and simply press on OK. Now the quick access toolbar is located right over here. So that's how you can simply hide or show quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.